Welcome to this technical guide on the LG Gram. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your LG Gram won't turn on, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise due to various reasons, such as a drained battery, a faulty power adapter, or an internal component failure. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power connector, depending on the diagnosis. First, ensure you power off the device completely. Disconnect the charger and any peripherals. To open the LG Gram safely, place it upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratching. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, take your plastic prying tool and gently insert it into the seam between the back panel and the body. Carefully work your way around the edges, releasing the clips without applying too much force to avoid damaging the casing. Now, with the back panel removed, locate the battery or the power connector, as these are common culprits for the device not turning on. If you identify a faulty battery, disconnect it by gently pulling on the connector. Make sure to note the orientation of the connector for reinstallation. If you have a replacement battery, align it correctly and press down until it clicks into place. If the issue lies with the power connector, carefully detach it from the motherboard. Be cautious while doing this, pull it straight out without wiggling. If you have a replacement power connector, install it in the same manner. Remember to avoid touching any other components inside the laptop to prevent accidental damage. Once you've replaced the necessary parts, it's time to reassemble. Place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips snap into place, and replace the screws securely, but don't over-tighten them as this can warp the casing. Finally, turn the device over, reconnect the charger, and press the power button. If it powers on successfully, congratulations, you've fixed your LG Gram. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your battery is regularly charged and avoid using third-party chargers that may not be compatible with your device. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch problems before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.